Hello friends, is my audible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So tell me where we are in the last lecture. Whether we have completed lathe machine? Yes.
The tractor is up.
Hello, Shiv Kumar. Mute yourself. So where we are? I think I have covered lathe machine. Then whether we have covered drilling machine?
No, sir.
No, sir.
We have covered lathe machine only. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
ह्या पीपीटी अपलोड करा की टीचिंग
yeah. हाँ, okay, करता. So we are here that we have covered lathe machine. So what are the parts of lathe machine? What are the different parts of the lathe machine? So here is the lathe machine. So this one is the lathe machine. So what are the different parts? Hello?
chuck, workpiece,
Yeah.
tool post,
Then others?
Headstock.
Slide gate,
compound race,
stock,
cross
Yes.
slide,
lead screw,
Lead screw.
feed rod.
stock,
Yeah. Feed rod. So these are the components of lathe machine, and what operations we are performing on this machine? Which are those operations?
Facing,
facing, turning,
turning,
Correct. Facing, turning, threading, knurling, grooving. These are the different operations that we can perform on the lathe machine. So if the job is cylindrical, or when jobs are square, at the time to give some shape by removing material or extra material from the rod, we can use lathe machine. Now another one is machine that is the drilling machine or pillar type drilling machine. This one is the image of drilling machine. Okay, so have you seen such type of drilling machine before that? If you visit workshop, then you can observe there such type of machines are available, or lathe machines are also available in the workshop. In fabrication shops also, fabrications, that is welding and all these things, and sheet metal work is going on in such shops. So these all shops are the fabrication shops. Okay. Now I'll explain component, then working, and I'll show one video. So see here, this one is the pillar type drilling machine, where here we have base. Okay, here we have base. Then one column is provided. This made of cast iron, both made of cast iron base and column. So for base, foundation is required. Foundation is necessary. Then one table. Okay, this one is the table is provided. Now this table can move in upward and downward direction. The table can move in upward and downward direction. Okay. Here, this one is the workpiece to which we have to produce holes. Okay. Then this one is the motor. On motor, stepped pulleys are provided. Stepped pulleys, it means by in the reducing or increasing diameter of the pulleys. Why it is? Because as per the requirement, we can change the speed of drilling tool. Then here this one is the head. Here we have sleeve, then chuck. Here we have spindle and drilling tool. Okay, so these are the components of drilling machine. So this one is very simple function. One video I have in which this all covered. Drilling machines. Doing that. Can you observe this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this one is so what is the function of drilling machine? So the function of drilling machine is to prepare or to produce or to create holes on a workpiece. Now we have base which is made up of cast iron. So all load of machine will be on the base. Now one pillar is provided, or we can say column. It is also made up of cast iron. So this one is the table, or we can say swivel table. So this table can move in up and down direction. Also, it can rotate 360-degree angle along the pillar. Okay. So when some slots are provided on the table, so these slots are provided to fix the workpiece. If we have to build there or fix the workpiece, these slots are important. Then motor is provided on one side of the pillar and stepped pulleys are connected to that motor shaft. And on the other side of that motor, head is provided. On the shaft of that head, one stepped pulley is provided, but the increasing and decreasing order is opposite to that of order of a stepped pulley, which is mounted on the motor. So by using these pulleys, we can change the speeds. So this one is the spindle, and on the spindle, chuck is provided or fitted, and this chuck holds the drilling tool or drill bit. We can say drill bit also, or drilling tool. So this drilling bit is used to produce holes in the workpiece. That bit directly contact with the workpiece. Now these two pulleys are connected with the V-type pulleys. So this one is the rotational wheel. By using this hand wheel or rotational wheel, we can move that drilling bit in up and down. So this one is the V-bed, which is used to transfer power of a motor to the spindle. Now this is the motion of table, which can move in up and down direction. Also it can rotate in 360. So when we start motor, the motor will start to rotate this shaft, and shaft start rotate pulleys, and this power transferred to the pulleys on the other side, which is connected to the spindle. Now see, you can observe here the pulleys are rotating. Now what happens here in the headstock, how it works or how it move in upward and downward direction. So there are two gears, that is rack and pinion arrangement is made. So this one is the rack. On the rack, some threads are provided or gears are provided on one side of the rod, and one pinion is connected with that rack. So same, the thread of pinions are meshing with the thread of rack. When pinion will move, the rack will also move in the reciprocating motion. When pinion move in the rotary motion, then rack will move in the which motion? Downward and upward direction. So you can observe here. Okay. So this is the drilling machine. Understood? Is anyone having any doubt? So these are the different parts of a drilling machine. So these are the drilling operations, that is counter boring. Counter boring is used when we have to fit some bolt. Bolt fit करण्यासाठी आपल्याला first operation is the drilling, that is here. Middle operation is the drilling operation. So when we produce hole on the workpiece, and if we have to fit bolt in that, at that time we have to use this counter boring. So what that counter boring will do, it will enlarge the diameter. Here you can observe here, you can enlarge the diameter of that hole. So the head of that hole will fit in that enlarged diameter. Okay. Now tapping. Tapping is the used to prepare the threads inside the hole. Okay. How we have if we can prepare external thread by using lathe machine, here also by using that tapping tool we can prepare internal threads also. Now boring. Now this boring operation is also used when the diameter is of the diameter of hole is bigger. The diameter of the hole is bigger, or we have to produce bigger holes. At that time we can use boring. So boring is the tool which will rotate around the spindle. It is mounted on one side. If suppose this is the, I'll show you. If suppose this is a spindle or that chuck, then this tool will be mounted on one side like this. Sorry, it should be outside. If it is rotating, it means it should be at outside. So when it rotates, this tool also rotates, but it covers maximum area. And for that, to apply this boring operation, we have to prepare first hole, or if already hole is there and if we have to increase the diameter, at that time we can use this boring tool. Okay. Then reaming operation. Reaming operation is also a post operation after drilling, because when we perform some drilling operation on any workpiece, so some burrs, okay, some burr is remaining inside the inside the hole. So to finish that, or to make a finished hole, that reaming operation can be performed. Now that countersinking, next operation is the countersinking. So the countersinking is also a post operation after the drilling operation. Now, have you observed screw?
Yes, sir.
If you observe screw, the head of screw is of angular shape. So if we have to fit such a heads into the workpiece at the same level of that workpiece, at that time we have to prepare another hole on the drilling hole by using that tool, and it will be a conical shape. So the head of that screw will be fitted in that conical shape. So such operation is called as countersinking, like that. See here, this one, how it see how it is fitted here. So for that, this type of hole should be provided to fit that head. Okay, have you got it? Samajh? So these are the drilling operations, and this one is the drilling machine. So anybody having any doubt? Anyone? Hello? If you do not have any doubt, then draw this diagram. You have to draw diagram in assignment also. That is second assignment. I have provided you link. You can upload there. बघितली लिंक? हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
सो तुमचे असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट झाले की तिथं अपलोड करा लगेच त्या लिंकवर. कुठल्या नंबरचं असाइनमेंट आहे ते सिलेक्ट करा. दुसरं असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट झालं ते पण अपलोड करा तिथं लगेच. After completion of this diagram, please tell me. Over?
No, sir.
So you write heading, drilling machine, or the part of drilling machine, and then you have to draw this diagram. After that, we have to draw diagrams, this drilling machine operations.
Done, sir.
Okay. झालं बाकीच्यांचं? So before drawing these operations, I will show you videos of these operations. So see these videos, we will get more idea. Is this visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One second. Can you see this? Hello?
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now observe the
Yes, sir.
operations. So this one is simple drilling operation. And read the whatever footnotes are there. So I'll show you this video 2 times because some footnotes are there. And if you are unable to read this, you can read in second time. So this one is the reamer operation, which performed by reamer tool, which removes material in order of 0.1 mm to 0.2 to make small finished hole. Now this one is the pouring operation to increase the diameter of hole. It's already prepared. Counter boring. This will increase the diameter of hole for small depth. Countersink, countersunk and countersink. This is the operation prepare hole and cone shape or V type. This one is the tapping tool. Here, threads inside the hole. These are the tools. So these are the spiral fluid and thread fluid. Thread fluid म्हणजे त्याच्यावर तुझ्या खाता असतात ड्रिलिंग मशीन मध्ये ज्यावेळेला आपण ड्रिल करू त्यावेळेला ती बाहेर येण्यासाठी. तर त्याचे दोन प्रकार आहेत, एक स्ट्रेट आणि स्पायरल. पण स्पायरल जे आहे त्याच्यामध्ये चांगला आपल्याला बाहेर मिळतात म्हणून शक्यतो स्पायरल किंवा त्याला हेक्सागोनल टाईपचे स्लॉट त्याच्यावरती प्रोव्हाइड केलेले आहेत. These tools are very hard tools made from the carbide tools. Carbide tools, it means the carbon percentage is more in these tools. Or HSS, high speed stainless steel. Temporarily tangling all these things, so it is related to the design or manufacturing. It is not our part. Have you understood the operations?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you can draw these diagrams of the operations, so you will know better, and draw fast because we have 3:38. Okay, we have time to draw fast. And after completion, please tell me. Next point is the joining process that we will see. This is not necessary, only these two slides. Draw this one.
Done, sir.
झालं सगळ्यांचं? Others?
Yes, sir.
Now this one. Boring, rimming, and counters. So with whatever you have seen now, the operations and all these things, you may forgot these things afterwards. So these drawings, if you draw these drawings, you can remember this for a long time. So draw these diagrams, and with this we will stop here. In next lecture, we will start joining processes. We will stop here. I will take attendance. Roll number 1,
Present, sir.
2. Roll number 2. 25. 1. Okay. Roll number 2, absent. 3. Dipali Chaudhary.
Present, sir. Present.
Okay. 4. Roll number 4, absent. 5.
Yes, sir.
6.
Yes, sir.
7.
Present, sir.
8.
Present, sir.
9.
Present, sir.
10. Roll number 10, absent. 11.
Present, sir.
12. Roll number 12, absent. 13. Roll number
Present.
Shiv Kumar Bhosle.
Present, sir.
14.
Yes, sir.
15.
Present, sir.
16.
Present, sir.
17. Roll number 17, 17, absent. 18.
Present, sir.
19.
Present.
20.
Present, sir.
21.
Present, sir.
22.
Present, sir.
23.
Present, sir.
24.
Present, sir.
25.
Present, sir.
26.
Present, sir.
27. 27. 28.
Present, sir.
29.
Present, sir.
30.
Present, sir.
31. 31. Upset. 32.
Present, sir.
33.
Present, sir.
34.
Present, sir.
35.
Present, sir.
36. 36. 37. 37. 38.
Present, sir.
39.
Present, sir.
40.
Present, sir.
41.
Present, sir.
42.
Present, sir.
43.
Present, sir.
4.
Present, sir.
45. 45. Tanvi Pawar. Sent. 46.
Present, sir.
So, Riddhi, have you filled your form, scholarship form?
No, sir.
So when you are going to fill, so do on urgent basis, okay? There are fast para. There are okay, 47,
Present, sir.
48, 48. Shade ke swati. 49,
Present, sir.
okay. 50.
Yes, sir.
You also not filled yet.
Yes, sir.
भरला नाही. भरून घ्या लवकर.
हो.
51,
Yes, sir.
52,
Present, sir.
53.
Yes, sir.
अविनाश तुम्ही पण नाही भरलेला.
Ha, yes, sir.
54, 54,
Present, sir.
55,
Present, sir.
56, 56 absent, 57 Patil Sandeep absent, 58
Present, sir.
59
Present, sir.
60 शेळके तुम्ही पण भरलेला नाही फॉर्म
Yes, sir.
भरून घ्या लवकर. 61
Present, sir.
तुम्ही पण नाही भरलेला
Ah, yes.
ठीक आहे भरून घ्या लवकर काय असेल ते या आठवड्यात कम्प्लीट करा सगळं 62 थोरात. Okay. So with this we will stop here. Have you drawn these diagrams?
Sir, 45
Yes,
present.
sir.
पूर्ण yes sir आता. कोण म्हणला आता yes sir किती नंबर आहे तो सांगा मला कसं कळणार आता
45.
45 ओके. मी absent नंबर कॉल करतो रोल नंबर 2 4 10 12 17 27 31 38 36 37 48 56 57 62 त्याच्यापैकी कोण आहे का? तो झाली डायग्राम काढायचा.
Yes, sir.
ओके ह्या डायग्राम तुम्ही असाइनमेंट मध्ये पण काढायला चालू करा म्हणजे सिलेबस संपला की लगेच तुम्हाला ते अपलोड करता येते. आता पहिले जे असाइनमेंट आहे पहिल्या चॅप्टरची ती असाइनमेंट तुमची झाली असेल तर ती तुम्हाला जी लिंक प्रोव्हाइड केलेली आहे त्या लिंक वरती जावा आणि तिथं ती अपलोड करायची आहे. ओके मी त्यासाठी 30 तारखेपर्यंत ऍक्सेस ठेवणार आहे. 30 तारखेच्या नंतर मी तुमची पहिली असाइनमेंट घेणार नाही. ओके त्याच्या तोपर्यंत मला वाटतं दुसरा चॅप्टर असेल मग तो त्याची पण असाइनमेंट अपलोड करायचे परत तुम्हाला. Okay, so with this we will stop here. Thank you all of you.